Breaching News is presented by Prince of Wales, Whale and Marine Wildlife Adventures.
Well, this is a fun new segment we have, Breaching News, where we'll bring you highlights from around the Salish Sea of different sightings, thanks to our friends at Prince of Wales. Here's a shot of Big Mama and Zig Zag. This was just off Saturna. A remarkable story for Big Mama, actually. She is the first known humpback to return to the Salish Sea after 100 years of intensive whaling in this region. She was first spotted back in 1997, and she has brought back 7 calves into the region. Now, Zig Zag was first seen in '06 and has given birth to 3 calves. They're not related. They just like to hang out together. Here is T063, also known as Chainsaw, a 46-year-old Biggs orca, or transient killer whale, spotted just off Stewart Island last week. There are about 400 of these mammals in our waters, a huge range from California to Alaska. They are the hunters in our sea. At one point, they were listed as threatened under the Species of Risk Act, but the population is growing thanks to the return of the harbor seal, one of their favorite snacks. Now, this is a pretty cool video. Also happens to be a snack of the transient, but I won't get into that. A little outside our region, this is in Howe Sound, but too good not to share. These are Pacific white-sided dolphins, a rare sighting actually this far south. Normally they're only seen north of Campbell River. They're very acrobatic, they would have to be because they're hunted, and can breach or jump heights of around 20 feet in the air. Very cool. Tess, we've been looking forward to this, so we officially have launched Breaching News.